So Kendra, we gotta hurry up and make a decision here. Either you get a new truck and get them wheels to keep rolling, keep that money coming in, or keep that old truck and continue to go deeper in the hole. Wait a minute, that don't even sound right. New truck.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, as in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no door. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned. I got bitches galore. My baby mom will call 250, I'm sturdy. Got 5 million cash just in case it get murdered. My young niggas can't get away, they be purging. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga. Who's on you working? I turned on my crew, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going at nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished. I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city. I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they need it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low car, the plug, I need 4 pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, color and shot in my driving lane solid. I keep it on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money, they wait like an octopus. Go in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We out of run, give a fuck that we popping them. Been raising hell back in school, I was popping them. Yeah, all of my hoes get face, she safe. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and I raised. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas spend a lot, they had to switch up my phrase. And I'm sending out shots to the south, get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm trying to leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Let's do the low car, the plug, I need 4 pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. Yeah, you tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Let's do the low car, the plug, I need 4 pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. Yeah.
Yeah. Say, man, I ain't rapping a long time, but I figure I'll come through this hoe and do my 1-2. You know what I'm saying? Nah, for shit show. Already. Third Ward, Texas in this bitch. Chill.
You niggas older than the saying, let bygones be bygones. Please don't play with me, cause I won't hesitate to buy guns. It's hurting me to ball on you niggas like Zion. Super annoying, like Tiana screaming Byron. You gon' need a telescope just to see what I'm on. Look, Will Smith shoulder tick, Ashley Banks, nigga, mind your business. Hideous carpet, my flow so ridiculous. They hate the sight of me getting to the door like Jehovah Witness. Feeling like the plumber man, cause you on my shit list. Loudest nigga in the room, turn them straight to crickets. Say loudest nigga in the...
2B，你的音乐好好听呀。
So I'm getting in a new truck. Yup, finally getting out this old thing. It's been giving me too many problems, y'all. Been giving me too many problems. And if the wheels ain't rolling, I ain't getting paid. And the thing about this truck, it break down on me every stint. Something happened with this truck. I probably can't go 2 straight weeks without having to take this truck to the shop for something. So it's always having problems. I'm just tired of going through this. So I'm gonna go ahead with a newer lease. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pay more per week, but more reliable truck, especially with the the winter time coming up. So I figure might as well. I'm just when you tired, man, you tired at the end of the day. So I'm real deal at my limits with this. So I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta do what I gotta do. We come to swing and bang. Well, since I'm moving out of here, I might as well clean this truck out, go wash some clothes while I can, considering I gotta leave tonight for 8. I don't feel like doing nothing, man, but I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out. They want me to get in the day cab and pick up a load 40 miles away. I'm tired, bro. I just drove 500 miles to get here, and once this truck stopped and I got it on my mind that that's it for the day, I don't feel like doing no other stuff. That's why I need to know what I need to do and get to it. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause once I shut my mind down, bro, from this truck, I'll be shut down. I just said it though, gotta do what you gotta do. I hope I'm not picking this up for nobody else. I hope I'm picking this up for myself. What's going on? I just took the company car to go to a place called Portobello's. I never been there before, but it's like some famous Chicago franchise. And I want to see if it's good enough. I ain't gonna really get the Italian beef, because I have tried that probably 3 times, because Chicago be bragging on this Italian beef. And the 3 times I tried it, I did not like it. So, and they got charboiled burgers, you know what I'm saying? And back before Burger King fell off, I used to love they charboiled burgers, man. So I'm gonna see what theirs hitting for. Hopefully it's actually got that flavor, because Burger King definitely don't have that flavor no more. We gonna try that out, and I'ma holla back. Ain't gonna lie, Portobello's jumping. Jeez, this must be the best food out here. It must, boy. I seen some Portobello's in Chicago and they weren't jumping like this. Well, I'm gonna order my food right now. Man, I'm not messing with y'all. Whole time I've been calling this thing Portobello's and it's called Portillo's or something. And y'all ain't even tell me that I was saying it wrong. That's why I don't be messing with y'all, bro. My fault. It's the shocker house, you heard? See what I'm saying? Yup, I'm blaming y'all, bro. Like, let me know. I ain't from out here. Alright, this the new truck. Turn the light.
I got the digital dash. I put that on your mama new. Turn off the lights and light a candle.
Had to do a little cleaning myself. Last person that was in this truck was nasty. What's that yellow stuff in there? We gotta clean that out.
Yep, that's it. Got the truck. Finna clean out the next truck. You know what I'm saying? Stock these closets and shelves up and go from there. And best believe I got something for that fridge. Cause that yellow stuff, something about yellow stuff that throw me off. I don't know what that is, some pickle juice or what, but I'm finna damn near spray this whole damn bottle. I am not clean. I am not one of them. Look, we got hair and nets. Look at that. They supposed to clean this out though. Yeah, so this is the last results now. You know what I'm saying? Finally got off in this thing. Yeah, I got my cereal and stuff, food and stuff in here. I got my socks and underwear in there. Refrigerator empty right now. I gotta get some stuff, save some money. Got my clothes and stuff all in there. My hygiene stuff, electronics, vitamins. And I got like my blender and stuff underneath the bed. You can lift this up actually if you don't know. And I got storage up under there because I wanted to keep this up. I could have put storage up here, but I want to keep that up to have better lighting in here now that I'm making videos and stuff like that. So we decided to keep that like it is. But for now, I'm about to go pick up an empty trailer so I can finally get back out on the road after 4 long days, man. Making no money. I gotta get the chopping, so hopefully this truck is ready to do what it do. I think this is good. I think I've been in this truck before though, and it was a good truck, so that's good news, I would say. So yeah, let's go get it.